Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Target 100 in Mathematics by Shivesh Kumar Singh, and in this video we are going to discuss or learn some higher order thinking skills question for grade 6 examination. Okay, see, these questions will be based on the lessons what you have studied and practiced the question in your classroom studies. Okay, but these questions will not be the direct question where you just apply the formula and get the answer. Okay, you will have to think little bit on upper side and then you will get the questions and you will understand it. Okay, see, but I can make you sure that if you understand these questions and do it correctly, then definitely in the exam your all questions going to be correct. For example, find the area of an equilateral triangle with height 10 centimeter and perimeter 30 centimeter. Okay, now before starting this question, I will tell you one thing, that whatever question you get in exams, you will have to deal the question into 3 steps. Okay, see, first step of the question will be what is required. Okay, means what they are asking in the question. First you will find this thing in the question, you will read the question carefully and then you will find this, that what they need. Now second is whatever they need, what is the formula for that, what is formula for that requirement. Okay, whatever they want, means they want volume, then what is the formula for volume. If they want area, then what is the formula for area. Okay, and then third thing is whatever formula you have written, what all things are known for that particular formula. Okay, or given for that particular formula. If you know these 3 things step by step, then you can solve the question easily. For example, I'll not erase this thing, I'll try to write here in the side. Okay, find the area of an equilateral triangle. So what they want? They want area of triangle. So what is the formula for area of triangle? Half times base times height. Okay, and now why they have given here equilateral triangle? What is the meaning of equilateral triangle? Means all the 3 sides will be equal. Yes, all the 3 sides will be equal. Now we have to find this thing. This is the formula. Now what all the things we want here? Base and height. Now you see, this is height given here. They have given us the height, thankfully. So we will write height here 10. Now base we don't know. So from where we will get the base? From this information. Yes, and perimeter is what? 30. And what is the perimeter? Perimeter means all the sides sum of all the sides. Means if you have a triangle equilateral and all the sides are equal, so A plus A plus A means 3A, and it is equal to 30 because perimeter is given to be 30. So A will be equal to what? 10 centimeter. So this is your side. So write this side value here, 10. Now you can solve the question. 10 divided by 2 is 5 and 10 times 5 is 50 centimeter square. So just remember these 3 things, my dear students. These 3 things will help you to solve the question easily. Now, another question can be, a school has given a task. Yes, one more thing I tell you, that you will practice these questions when you have finished all the videos and all the lessons from your book. Okay, then these are the extra questions for extra practice. Okay, these are not the basic questions for you. A school has given a task of painting the floor to a person. To finish this task, person wants to draw the outline for his region. He starts from the point 50, this is suppose 50, okay, this is the point 50, and then and reaches to 510. So suppose this is the point 510, okay, and I will draw a line to join them. Okay, then he reaches to 1010, means he goes like this. This is the point 10 and 10. Now then to 10.5. 10.5 means he will come down. So maybe he will come here 10.5 and then to 15.5. 15 and 5 means he will go to this side. So 15 and 5 here, and finally reaches to 15.0 means he come to this place 15.0. So we can join this line also finally. Now, okay, if he charges 1.5 dirham per meter square. I told you many times that this type of information will give you the hint that what you have to find. So meter square is used for area. Yes, very good. Then how much total money? Okay, money will look later on. Now we will see this information I have written, maybe this type of question will be in the graph. Okay, but here I have drawn the rough figure, so it's okay, we can ignore this line. Now what we can see here, see, we have to find this area actually. So what we can do here, we can draw a dotted line like this. Now it is looking like one rectangle and another rectangle. So for rectangle area we want two things, length and width. So you see here this value is 5 and here value is 10. So what will be this side? 10 minus 5 means 5. Yes, and here it is, what will be another side? This is value y10 and here value y0. So what will be this height? 10 minus 0 means 10. Don't go with the exact side, okay? So area of rectangle 1 we can find easily. Area of rectangle 1 is 10 multiply 5 means 50. Now coming to R2, let's talk about this. This side will be 15 minus 10 and it will be 5. And this height will be what? 5 minus 0 means 5 again. So area of R2, it will be equal to 5 multiply 5 means 25. So total area is equal to 50 plus 25 means 75 meter square. Now for 1 meter he is charging 1.5 dirham. So total amount how much? It will be 1.5 times 75 means AED. 15 fives are 75, 7 forward, 15 sevens are 105 and 7 112. So how much money he will charge? 112.50. Did you notice that I have written 0 here after that? Why? Because whenever you are dealing with money, then definitely after the decimal point you will have 2 decimal places. Okay. Now another question can be, if sides of a rectangular prism is doubled, then explain how its surface area and volume will be changed. Now you see, this question you can do with the formula, with the logic, with anything. Okay. See, surface area, if we talk about surface area, then its formula is 2 times LW plus WH plus HL. Okay. Now they say that every side is doubled, means length becomes twice length, width becomes twice width, same here, twice width, twice height, same here, twice height and twice length. Okay. So what you can see here, you can see 2 times 2, 4 LW plus 4, why I have written W 2 times, 4 WH plus 4 HL. So we can take 4 outside and it will be 2 times LW plus WH plus HL. So what you can see, this was the original area. Yes, and now new area becomes 4 times the original area. Okay, so surface area becomes 4 times. And what about volume? Volume formula was LWH. So every side is doubled. So twice length, twice width and twice height. So it will be 2 multiplied 2, 4, 4 multiplied 2, 8. So 8 times LWH. So new volume will be 8 times. Okay, and new surface area will be 4 times than the original one. Okay, next question can be, if 3 vertices of a rectangle is, okay, now 3 vertices are given, then find the 4th vertex and then find its area and perimeter. Okay, see, I am trying to include everything or maximum of the things in one question. It is not like that such questions will be in the exam, but I want you to practice maximum of the things. Okay, so let's plot the points. 3, 2. Okay, so suppose this is the point 3, 2. You can make the proper graph also. Okay, now 7, 2. So 7, value of y is not changing. So it means we will go in this direction. Okay, so this is point, suppose 7, 2. and then 7, 6. Now value of x is not changing, so it means we will go up. Okay, I am sorry for the picture here, I am sorry for the drawing. This is 7, 6. So definitely fourth point will come this side. Yes, this will be the fourth point, and what it will be? You can see that value of x will not change because it is up and down. Yes, so definitely value of x is going to be 3, and what will be the value of y? I will tell you from here. Y will not change from here because this is in the horizontal line. Yes, so its coordinate will be 3, 6. That is the fourth vertex, this one. And what will be the perimeter? Perimeter, I told you, outside line. Okay, so 7 minus 3, this is 4, so this is also 4, and 6 minus 2, this is 4, so this is also 4. So its perimeter will be equal to 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 means 16 units. Okay, because nothing is given here, so units, and its area will be equal to 4 times 4, and it is also unit, 16 square. Okay, like this you will get the answer. Now another question can be, if perimeter of a square is 100 centimeter square. Okay, this is the perimeter. Okay, perimeter of a square, then find its area. Now you see, perimeter of a square. Square means all 4 sides are equal. So I am taking A, all the 4 sides A. So it is A plus A plus A plus A is equal to 100, means 4A is equal to 100. So A will be equal to 25. So side of the square is 25. So what will be area of the square then? Side multiply by side means 625 centimeter square. Okay. Now another thing can be, if sides of a regular pentagon, pentagon means 5 sides. Yes. So if sides of a regular pentagon and regular hexagon, hexagon means 6 sides, are equal. So if you have a pentagon with side x and a hexagon with side x, okay, then are equal, then find the ratio of their perimeter. So ratio, what do you mean by ratio? Ratio means division. So perimeter of pentagon divided by perimeter of hexagon is equal to, its perimeter will be how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5x divided by hexagon, how many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6x. So x and x cancel. So what will be the ratio? Ratio will be 5:6. Okay, this will be the answer. Now another question can be, I will suggest you to pause the video and do the question yourself and then match the answer. A tank is in the shape of a rectangular prism of dimension 5, 4 and 6. This is length, width and height. Okay. How much water in liter can be stored in the box, given that 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter? So we are going to find here volume. Why? Because water is stored inside, means it deals with the capacity of the box, and capacity means volume. So its formula is length multiply width multiply height, means 5 multiply 4 multiply 6, and it is equal to 5 multiply 4, 20, 20 multiply 6, 120 meter cube. Now 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. 1 cubic meter is equal to 1000 liter. So 120 cubic meter will be equal to what? 120 multiplied by 1000. So how much it will be? Whatever it will be, you will write here. Okay. 12, after that 4 zeros. I did it correctly. Yeah, 120,000 liter. Okay. This much water can be stored into the tank. Now another question can be, Muhammad wants to cover the wall, roof and floor of his room with the tiles. Okay, now we are covering the floor, roof and wall. It means we are talking about surface area. Okay, If dimensions of the room are 20, 20 and 15 means L, W, H, and one tile measures 2 by 2 feet, then how many packets of tiles will be required if one packet contains 10 tiles? So my dear students, so many things are here to do. First of all, we'll find the surface area of room. Okay, it is 2 times LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, and it is equal to 2 times 20 multiply 20, 400, 20 multiply 15, 300 plus 300 again. So it is 300 plus 300, 600, 600 plus 400, 1000, 1000 multiply by 2, 2000 feet square. This is the surface area of the room. Now area of one tile, it is given to us. Yes, you see, area if one tile measure 2 by 2, so it is 2 by 2 means 4 feet square. So number of tiles will be, how many tiles required here? It will be 2000 divided by 4 means 500 tiles are required. But this is not the answer, because they are not asking about the number of tiles. They are asking about the number of packets. And in one packet, how many tiles? 10 tiles. So number of packets will be equal to 500 divided by 10 means 50 packets of the tiles will be required. In addition to this question, what else they can give? They can ask you to find the amount. Maybe they can give you that one packet of tile cost you dirham 100 or something 50 dirham. Okay, then find the total amount spent on this tile. Okay, so after that, finding everything, you just multiply 50 packets by the cost of tiles packet, and then you will get the answer. Now another question will be, a window is in the shape of a square surmounted by an equilateral triangle. Now here this word is very important for you. Okay, surmounted. Surmounted means, I will tell you, first thing is a square like this. We know everything about the square. Surmounted by an equilateral triangle means it is covering completely like this. Like this. Okay, so means base of the triangle and side both are same. Okay, so this is x, so this is also x here, everything is x. Okay, like this. Now then find the area and the perimeter of the window. Area and perimeter of the window. Side of the square is 5 meter. So this is 5. So in place of x, I will write 5 here. Okay. Now I think here I missed one thing, because all the questions I have taken myself without seeing any books. So I think I have missed one thing here, because see, perimeter is okay. We can find perimeter, but for finding the area, we want height of the triangle. Yes, which is missing here. Okay. So height I am taking like 4. No problem. Okay. This is additional information from here. Side of the square is 5 and height is 4. Okay. Now, okay, so first we'll talk about perimeter. Perimeter means what I told you. Normally what students do the mistake in this question, they find perimeter of triangle and perimeter of a square and then they add it. No, this will be wrong. Why? Because I told you perimeter means sum of all the sides what you can see from outside. So this side we cannot see from outside. Yes or no? Okay, so what you are going to add here? You will add 5, means this 5, then this 5, then this 5, means this side, then this side, because all these sides are outside, and at last this side. Yes, so it will be equal to 5. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 times 5 means 25 meter. Okay, this is the perimeter. Now area you can add them, because area doesn't count with the side. So area of square plus area of triangle. Okay, so it will be, area of square means side multiply by side, and area of triangle means half times base times height. Okay, so 4 divided by 2 is 2, and 5 times 5 25, plus 5 times 2 10, 25 plus 10, 35 meter square. Okay, like this you can finish this question. Now another question can be, I think this is the last question, because in one video I will give you 10 challenging questions. Okay, there is a walking track in the shape of a square of side 300 meter. Okay, so this is a square, just take it as a square. Okay, all the sides are 300. Now what about this track? Two athletes start walking from the same point at the same time. Okay, I don't know why athletes are running and we are solving the question. Okay, two athletes are there, A and B. Now one completes one round in 4 minutes, A is completing in 4 minutes and B is completing in 6 minutes. Okay, now question is, after how much time they will meet at the starting point again? Because see, if A is covering one round in 4 minutes and B is covering one round in 6 minutes, then definitely every time they will not be at the same point again and again. Yes, after some time they will meet again. So that is the question, that after how many times they will be at the starting point together again. So first we'll find this thing. So how this question is related with which topic? It is related with LCM. LCM of 4 and 6. So find this LCM, and if you have any problem then tell me. I'm writing the answer directly here. LCM of 4 and 6 will be 12, because 12 is the smallest number which can be divided by 4 and 6 both. Okay. Now what about this LCM? Now what to do? Okay, so in 12 minutes A will complete how many rounds? 3 rounds, because A is taking 3 minutes for one round, and B will complete how many rounds? 2 rounds. Yes or no? Okay. Now same time again, how much distance they will each cover in that time? So see, in one round for A, I am talking about for A, in one round he is covering 1200 meter. Yes, because 300, 300, 300 and 300. So it's a question of perimeter. So in 3 rounds, why 3 rounds? Because A is covering 3 rounds in 6 minutes. So it will be 1200 multiplied by 3 means 3600 meter, and they are asking in kilometer. So it will be 3.6 kilometer. This is the distance covered by A. Now what about B? B will cover how much? In one round, he is also covering 1200 meter. So in 2 rounds, he will cover 1200 multiplied by 2 means 2400 meter, means 2.4 kilometer. Like this you can solve this question. I know, my dear students, these questions are not that much common and easy, but yes, if you will think about such questions, then definitely your mathematics will be very strong and you will be very analytical. Okay, I'm sure you understood these questions, and if you think that such videos will help you to increase your knowledge, please like and subscribe my channel if you have not done, and share with your friends also. Thank you.